Hello, everyone, and welcome to Dano Crypto. My name is Daniel Curtis Hughes, and on this channel, I show you how to dive into the crypto ecosystems in a simple, efficient way that will get you to feel a little bit better and comfortable in the crypto universe. So, welcome. I don't know, that was just an off the dome intro. I hope you guys have had a really good weekend and you had a good Monday. There has been tons of news to keep up with in the crypto space. It's been pretty hard to honestly keep up with. We have big news with Cardano. We have Cardano smart contracts actually starting to deploy. We have a lot of different swap platforms and NFT projects that are launching, and so Cardano is looking really good. We also got Walmart it's been announced that they are going to be creating their own type of metaverse and possibly their own cryptocurrency. So what's really cool about that news is that Walmart has been low-key putting these Bitcoin ATMs in their stores. And I'm not exactly sure where these ATMs have been placed in which states, but I think it's really cool that Walmart has been doing this because if you think about it, think about the history of Walmart. Walmart basically it took out the small mom and pop hardware grocery stores back in the day, and and throughout the years of its origin, basically, took our shopping and industry in that type of way to like the next level. So Walmart, of course, is going to be ahead of the game in the curve with using their online stores and their products and maybe some type of reward systems in the metaverse with possibly, they've been selling video games and tech stuff for years, so it makes sense. So what we're going to do in this video, we're just going to do also like a quick market update, and we're going to just kind of go into some of the coins that I have been following. I've been building up a watch list on CoinMarketCap. You guys know that website, and if you haven't been on there yet, definitely go on there, make an account, and I suggest just start starring all of the projects that you start hearing big news about, projects that you're interested in, you want to learn about, because on CoinMarketCap, you got a huge resource where you basically can see every single cryptocurrency. You can see what the ETH gas fee is. Right now, it's actually pretty low. We got the ETH gas at 80 guays. Let's see. So we got Bitcoin at $41,508. It dipped about through a good 3%, 4%. It was kind of starting to track up. I think, let's see, do a little Bitcoin overview here. It was starting to trail up a little bit. It was getting bullish movement on the 7-day. I think on the highest, it got up to about 44,000, and then we started to see kind of a consolidation here, going down to 42, and then say back up to 43, and then we kind of start going back down a little bit. People thinking we're getting bearish, but I don't know. This could be just a basic where we're getting just some sell-offs, or maybe hitting some liquidated longs or something like that. Maybe some whale movement or things like that. But with all of this crypto news coming out, all of the news is super, super bullish. So with this price action right here, I think it's just like a really good sale. I would say, picking up Bitcoin where it is right now at 41,000 is a pretty good buy, because I'm thinking when we hit the end of January, past the 23rd, we have a lot of different events that are happening around the 20th, and that's actually my birthday is on the 23rd. So we have all these different crypto events happening, with ADA. We have a lot of different projects that are launching, merging, doing really cool different bridging things. Like, crypto is about interoperability. So the more that the ecosystems are getting connected together, it really just builds up the liquidity for everything. So I get super stoked about that. So you really kind of want to bet on more than just one project, being successful, because I mean, if you look, you got the top 20, you got Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Cardano, you have Solana, you have XRP, you have Luna, Polkadot, Dogecoin, Avalanche, you have Polygon. SHIB, squeezed itself up there through, meme community. But, the fact that it did get itself pushed up there, means that it has the potential to have, a use case like these others. Honestly, I think right now it has a little bit more of a use case than Dogecoin, but Dogecoin's getting there. It's getting, one of the big news with Dogecoin is that Tesla started to accept Dogecoin on their merch store. So not for the Teslas just yet, but we'll see. So when you're looking at the either top 20 or even just like the top 50, you got a lot of really good projects in here. And if you kind of see who's playing nice with each other, you can kind of honestly pick and choose dollar cost average, throw a dart at some of these, and in the next couple of years, you could be seeing some good gains, probably more than what you would in the traditional stock markets, especially with the inflation rates and all of that stuff. So one of the things that I wanted to go into with Cardano really quick. So with Cardano, there's been a lot of FUD. So you either really love Cardano or you hate it. So, and a lot of the reasons why people hate it is because it's been a slow moving project in the sense of its development. Its roadmap is very keen in particular on completion and actually not launching anything until they know it's going to work properly. So Ethereum didn't take that model. Solana didn't take that model. They just launch and they kind of like a launch and break stuff and see and fix it as you go on. Cardano has kind of taken a more, what they would say, a more scientific approach, and basically making sure that their stuff works, and that takes a little bit longer. It's slower moving. And in the crypto markets, a lot of people want like fast price action movement. They want, these pumps and everything. And really, but if you look at the history of Cardano, it did already see that. People that have been in Cardano for a long time saw that basically since its conception, I mean, we saw, I guess it was created in 2017, around that time. Some people have been with the project since it was like 3 cents. So people that have been holding it anywhere from 2017 to 2018 and held it anywhere into, the bear market in 2020, and then anywhere into 2021. I mean, you're seeing like just a ridiculous amount of gains from that. So I think what it is that a lot of people got into Cardano in the beginning of 2021 in January, like I did, and I started a dollar cost average into it. And if you weren't taking profits on different key points of their roadmap and their news and basically getting the effect of the buy the rumor, sell the news, when they actually implemented projects being able to create smart contracts, not actually launching them, but able to build on it, like that you could actually create a smart contract on Cardano. The price right before that event, the price was it hit a all-time high, if we go to the year, of about, I think it was $3. It went over $3. It was like $3.02 and some change. But shortly after that, it went down, just because people were expecting it to automatically be running like Solana or Ethereum, and it's just not realistic for what Cardano is. So I'm learning that as a Cardano holder. I personally hold Cardano, and I did make the mistake, and I explained this in one of my videos, that I did not take profits. I have taken profits on Cardano, but not in the key points to where my unrealized gains would have been realized gains. Now they are in an unrealized gain territory. So I basically have been waiting on it hitting those price points again, so then I can comfortably take a little bit of profit and then secure a moon bag for Cardano's future potential. So that's definitely one of my recommendations for anyone who's new into crypto, is that once you find a project that you really like and you've been dollar cost averaging into it, then you should figure out a plan and an entry and exit strategy. And when I say entry and exit strategy, I think some people might think when you're saying exit that you're exiting your entire position. That's not the case. You're not exiting your entire position. You're basically doing something that is securing some of your securing your investment. You're taking out your initial investment, and then you are playing risk management and a little bit of risk aversion. So I've done this in certain projects, and just to go into another altcoin that I have been kind of doing a little bit of dollar cost averaging, but I just took out of my initial investment. I threw in, just a tiny little bit of play money into an altcoin that I found. And I've mentioned it before. It's called Ariva. And in this coin, I'll show you really quick. Go to my watch list. I think this will be the last coin that we talk about today, because I got on with Cardano. So let's find it. Okay, so Ariva. So Ariva, when I found it, was at the spot, I think the ranking was in the 3,000s. So it's quickly climbed up to around the 700 spot as of now. The price action has been really good in the past month. I think it's been up around 65%. Right now, I think every time I've checked the volume on the 24-hour, the volume's been really good. Ariva's been listed on a lot of different exchanges and swap platforms. I personally have been buying it on PancakeSwap. I've just been basically using my BNB liquidity and stuff like that. And whenever I buy on crypto.com, I can send my funds from crypto.com to my MetaMask, and that's how I've been doing swaps with that. So with Ariva, I am going to do a full-scale single video on this coin, but I think I just want to point out just some key things. Two things. It launched on the Binance Smart Chain, but now a couple weeks ago, they actually listed their contract on Ethereum, so you can have the ERC20 contract and also the BEP20 contract as well. So that's pretty cool. And I think the fact that they are listed on so many different exchanges just means that a lot of money and liquidity and volume can pump into this project. I will say though, they are very ambitious. They're trying to be a fully fledged like cryptocurrency that's used in travel and tourism. So for booking flights, booking Airbnbs, booking hotels, booking a car, and you're using just their cryptocurrency. So they're wanting to just use cryptocurrency. So their website, I will say, is it's a little dated. It's almost like well, their actual Ariva digital website is good. They've been updating it. You can actually go on here, and a lot of the websites that that have a coin, it usually has like an exchange widget built in to where you can just buy it directly in the website. So here you can connect your wallet. So I'll show you. So let's see, I have my MetaMask. All right, it's connected to Smart Chain. So then you say, okay, I want to connect it with MetaMask. Initiate the contract. And then always make sure you're initiating, you know, your wallet contract with a website you trust. So that's why I love CoinMarketCap. It's going to hopefully, you know, give you the right information so where you can make sure that you are not getting phished. So I've mentioned that before. When you're in a swap, just make sure it's the correct swap HTTPS address, and you'll be good to go. So you just see that I'm connected right here. So I don't have any Ariva in my wallet currently because I'm actually staking it. So they actually have a really cool functional staking platform, and it's just like their little staking factory, I think they're calling it. So if you go to, we'll go to the ariva.finance. I already had it up, so let's see, let's look at it. So you can see that it has the Binance Smart Chain in. On here too, you can select that if you have the ERC20 token, you can select Ethereum. So on here, it shows my wallet. I have been staking my Moonbag, and the functionality of the staking is really easy, super easy and functional to use. It looks pretty similar to other ones I've seen, like if you've used like PancakeSwap or something like that. Basically, so far I've earned 537 Ariva, and I think I've earned a little bit more than that. I've been staking it for the past couple of days now. This balance was at because the price has been moving a little bit. We had a bit of a pump. You know, it was up 65%. I think it went down a good 10 or 15%. This was at 165, I believe. So, you know, with crypto and with staking, you know, you definitely are going to see these balances fluctuate. But the APY is 52%. So, you know, you can just say like, you know, if I have $1,000 in this, in one day, you can earn up to about, you know, $2.30, 7 days, $9, 30 days, $36, 3 months, $109, and a year, $521. You can kind of play with that. And also with that, you are taking into account that the price movement, and also if it's going up, then it is also compounding. So it's could be big returns, but also a big risk at the same time. So this is my Moonbag. So I'm just kind of testing, just staking it, and just kind of seeing where this goes. But yeah, so this is kind of what I've been doing, just kind of playing around small scale with altcoins, and this one has been pretty fun to follow and just kind of see how their roadmap is completed. And real quick, I know I mentioned I wanted to go on their actual website, their booking website, and I will say they got to work on the website. They really got to work on it. So basically, you know, you can connect your wallet. I don't think they have a sign-in function just yet. Like, you can't really make an account on here because it's not fully live. It's just in beta. This website looked like an AI built it, and it's just, there's like spell errors everywhere. The listings that they do have, like say you want to click on stays, the like look, as home but differently better. Like, what is that's I don't know. That's why. So they just really have to update this website very much if they're wanting to actually successfully get people to book these stays and book these flights. I would say probably the flights and the cars are probably going to be the first thing that really gets some traction. The stays, they really got to work on that. But yep, so I don't want to go too far into that because I want to save all of the full review for the full video. But yeah, before I end this video, I want to say thank you guys for subscribing, and thank you to any returning people that have been following my videos, and it's been awesome. I'm almost at 100 subscribers. I'm literally at 99 subscribers. So Thank you. And until I can get past, I think when I get to 100 subscribers, I can actually make community posts. So that'll be fun to do. I can start posting memes and funny pictures and stuff like that. So, yep. Also, follow me on Twitter, and I post stuff there pretty regularly. And if you go to my website, danielcurtishughes.com, I've kind of updated that as well. If you want to, if you're feeling generous, you want to donate to the cause, you can do it here. I try to update my news and my blog and updates, and this is kind of where I've just posted all of my stuff over the years. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Peace.